I'm going to show you how to do an Autowatch Ghost code change on the Range Rover. Now, this applies to 2017 onwards. Not necessarily just Range Rover, this also applies to the Land Rovers and the Jaguars. So let me just show you how to do that. So we'll initially turn the ignition on. And if you have a look at the clocks, we'll just wait for it to fire up. Now I'm going to enter the current code. Then what you get two indicator flashes to say it's now deimmobilised. So now what I want to do is change that code. So I'll pull the high beam and hold it throughout the whole procedure. And I'm going to enter the current code again. The indicator will start flashing once every few seconds, which is what it's doing now. Now I'm going to enter the new code. When I enter the new code, the indicator will flash every time I do the button push. So if I did that, and now it will flash 3 times. And what I'm going to do, repeat the new code. And now it should flash twice, which is what's happened. Now I can let go of the high beam. The code is now changed. So that's how you change a code on an Autowatch Ghost on a Range Rover.